yesterday, but
it's like the last box of the month
that we're filming. So, okay. And when you open it, it looks like that. And I'll give you the card. Okay, I'll do one shirt in the beginning and one shirt at the end, just to make it fun. Is it like dust on this shirt? What is that?
This month's charity is Save Goldberg the Goalie Sean Weiss Treatment Fund. Sean Weiss? Weiss. I don't know how you say that.
We got a Chris Jericho shirt.
This is just called the November 2020 crate. That's
Which
weird.
is awesome.
Let's
put this here. I'll give it to you.
Bambino.
Okay, and then
Oh, you'll like 1, 2.
yeah,
Cabana. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
It's just because this thing says Cabanarama, so I'm like,
I think you'll like 3
is this in
things
place
for
of
sure.
our little like? Oh no, it's not. That's cute. I thought it was in place of our little micro brawler, but it's not. That's in here too.
It's like a bigger one. Yeah.
So, what does that say? I don't know.
It's Coco Beware.
Oh. I'm like, Coco Beware.
Coco Beware.
It's got
I know. I didn't know if you'd be this excited about that one, but
I don't know who that is off the
Yeah.
top of my head. Wait, what's the title for this one?
Just November 2020.
Oh.
It's weird.
S is for suplex.
Kids book, yeah. That one. That looks cute.
I'm like,
Too bad you don't have young kids anymore.
I know. They're all
But
adults.
it's like a collector's item, kind of, so.
Yeah, we'll put it in our...
The wrestling room, I'm sure.
I'll just
Oh,
pick K
it's like-
since my first name starts with a K.
That's cute.
Yeah, it's cute. Okay. Stick that there. And then the little pin. Latino Heat. So... Just Latino Heat. It's just like Eddie Guerrero.
Yeah, it's supposed to be Eddie Guerrero's. So I thought you picked that one.
Yeah.
Like the little one.
And then the autograph. Let's see. Autograph poster.
You should like this.
Aw, Dr. Britt Baker. Yay. I wonder if we already have her. I feel like we do. Maybe we don't. I don't know. We have a lot of these, so like we can go check our room and see. Go back in there. And then I'll do the last shirt. The second shirt.
This one, I think it's cute the way it's like the themed, but I don't know if you'll know the people on it or.
Box is gonna fall over. Figure story. I don't know.
It says Brian Myers, Nat Cardona, Swoggle, and Chelsea Green.
Yeah, I don't know who like Chelsea Green is, but anyway, but cute, very cute.
Yeah, it's cute. So Toy Story is Figure Story. If this video is fast enough for you, we like this box, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways like the one I will put down below. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.